Government is on a mission to transform the Jamaican economy and create jobs by developing a logistics-centered economy. How will this be done? By further integrating the island into the global value chain with the implementation of the Logistics Hub initiative. With plans to position Jamaica as the fourth node in the global logistics chain, government is intent on taking full advantage of the increased trade opportunities expected from the expansion of the Panama Canal. Activities have been kicked into higher gear with the recent signing of a concession agreement to expand the Kingston Container Terminal.
This is a major development which will have significant benefits for the country's development and is an important component for the logistics hub.
On April 7, 2015, after years of arduous negotiations, the government of Jamaica, through the Port Authority, inked a 30-year concession agreement to finance, expand, operate, and transfer the Kingston Container Terminal. The $510 million deal was signed with French container shipping group Terminal Link CMA CGM.
Greater private sector involvement by way of investments in the expansion of major infrastructure, such as our seaports and airports, is a major plank of our economic growth strategy. That strategy is geared toward achieving greater levels of economic growth to produce more high-quality jobs and business opportunities.
It's really what we intend to do with you in Jamaica. It's a global partnership. It's a win-win partnership.
The concession agreement lays the groundwork for the greater movement of goods and services while increasing employment and training for Jamaicans.
The benefits of this agreement are that Kingston will remain a leading regional and international transportation port for the foreseeable future in partnership with one of the top-tier GTOs, global terminal operators.
The agreement paves the way for the dredging and expansion of the KCT in two phases.
What will Jamaica benefit from in phase one? Improve infrastructure.
Phase one of the project consists of the deepening of the navigational access channel, the turning circle for the vessels, and keys to allow access to the 12,500 TEUs vessels with a 14.2 meter draft at the beginning, and in phase two that will become a 15.5 meter draft.
For the Kingston Container Terminal employees, most of whom will be re-employed, they will be exposed to the best-in-class technologies and techniques. For the PAJ can itself now more effectively manage its debt obligations and is in a better position to finance the program of work to further enhance the competitiveness of the maritime sector.
The negotiations have been long, but I do believe that our major objectives have been accomplished. One, we have a global terminal operator linked with a major container shipping line, which are leaders in their field. Secondly, we'll have a multi-user port, and there are clear virtues that any legitimate shipping line can participate and utilize the facilities. Thirdly, the cost of dredging will be assumed by the concessionaire, freeing the government from this financial obligation.
With the agreement now signed, the new concessionaire will be operating in Jamaica as Kingston Freeport Terminal, and the deepening of the navigational access is to begin immediately.
We like Jamaica because there is governance in this country. There is security in this country, and it is an equitable environment for employees and employers.
We will be continuing our efforts to improve the business climate, adding to recent major improvements on our global ranking as a place where it is easy to do business and as the best place in the Caribbean to do business.
Jamaica is now well on its way to getting maximum benefits from its strategic location for the advancement of its people.